From the time we were little, most of us were told stories like Little Red Riding Hood and all kinds of folklore that taught us to fear wolves and see them as a dangerous animal that will attack and eat us. I'm Francine Amari with an environmental alert report for you and your family. By 1960, the hysteria around wolves was so crazy that wolves were completely wiped out from the lower 48 states, except for the northern part of Minnesota. It was only until after the wolves were gone that people realized the value of what had been lost. And since then, the absence of wolves from our landscape has resulted in all kinds of negative repercussions, like overpopulation of species like elk and deer, erosion of riverbanks, and even the spread of diseases. After many years of research and a lot of effort, in 1995, wolves were successfully reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park and the Northern Rockies. And since then, scientists have been able to study wolves and their habitat, collecting information that was never before documented. Their findings show how important wolves are, not only to their environment, but to all of ours. Here are some facts. Wolves have complex family structures, guiding and relying on each other, just like human families. Wolves don't attack and eat people. In fact, they shy away from people and can be very hard to find. They provide a balance to many other species, and because of this, they actually stabilize the geography of the region they live in. And because they're a top predator, they influence many other species, resulting in a balancing effect within their community. So this top predator helps to sustain us all. But here is a really critical fact about wolves and their packs that you need to know. The composition of a wolf pack is what keeps it sustainable and successful. Biologists have learned that the packs who have more elder wolves are actually more successful than the packs that do not. Why? Because the elder wolves teach and guide the younger wolves and show them how to survive, much like good parents who nurture their kids and set boundaries. When an elder wolf is shot, it leaves the whole pack unstable. It's like leaving teenagers without parents. And it's these wolves that most often disperse, get into trouble, and end up being destructive. So the worst thing a hunter can do is shoot a wolf. A hunter causes more problems by shooting a wolf because it leaves the pack unstable and results in more problems. So when it has to do with wolves and you hear things like management or cull population, it's really about making an opportunity for hunters to hunt. It's trophy hunting. What about overpopulation? Another fact is wolves don't overpopulate. They reproduce solely based on available food. And competition among wolf packs limits the number of wolves that can exist in an area. Please, anytime you have an opportunity to educate your friends about wolves, sign a petition to protect them, or just pass along the facts you now know. Please stand up for wolves. We have a responsibility to protect them. Educate the public about what they're really like, and stop the hate and hysteria surrounding them. Thanks for listening. See you next time.